Hi, I'm Sharon Vindrine. I'm founder and CEO of Parent Tested, Parent Approved. And today I am thrilled to introduce you to one of our newest award-winning products. This is SkinIntegra. When nothing else works, SkinIntegra does. It is a rapid crack repair cream with multiple uses. It's perfect for healing dry, cracked, rough, and irritated skin. It works on feet, heels, hands, elbows, knees, and even noses. It was developed and tested with podiatrists and dermatologists. What's unique about SkinIntegra is that it combines powerful plant oils like Sacha Inchi, sea buckthorn, shea butter, and 25% urea to bring all of the omegas, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural moisturizers your skin needs. And it doesn't just sit on the surface of your skin, it penetrates it in order to effectively deliver these essential ingredients that will help your skin repair itself. It has been clinically tested and proven to show signs of visible repair in as little as 1 day. Safe and effective even on diabetic skin. This cream has been endorsed by nurses, moms, dads on the front lines. It's helped their tired and damaged hands and feet recover quickly. Healthy, problem-free skin is their mission. Try it, use it, and love it.